Welcome to English Speaking Practice.
Hello, everyone. How are you today? Today's story is called At the Train Station. You will follow two friends, Henry and Layla, as they travel together by train. You will learn very useful words and phrases today. Words you can use at any train station in the world. Don't worry, they will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. Today's question: what does Layla say is the most polite way to ask for a ticket in English? The answer is in the conversation. Write your answer in English in the comments below. All right? Are you ready? Let's begin.
Layla, this station is so big. I don't understand anything.
Don't worry, Henry. I will help you. Let's look at the departure board first.
Departure board? What is that?
A departure board is that big screen over there. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it. There are many words and numbers on it.
That's right. The departure board shows all the trains. It shows the time, the destination, and the platform.
Destination. What does destination mean?
Destination is where the train is going. For example, our destination is Manchester.
Oh, I see. So we are going to Manchester.
Yes, and look here. Our train leaves at 10:15. The platform is number 4.
Platform 4. What is a platform?
A platform is the area where you stand and wait for the train. When the train comes, you get on from the platform.
Okay, platform is where we wait. Got it.
Exactly. You are learning fast, Henry.
Layla, I want to buy my own ticket. Can you teach me what to say?
Of course. First, think about what kind of ticket you want. There are 2 types.
2 types? What are they?
The first type is a one-way ticket. That means you travel to Manchester, but you do not come back on this ticket.
Okay. One way means only one direction.
Yes, and the second type is a return ticket. That means you travel to Manchester and then come back home on the same ticket.
So, return ticket is there and back. Which one should I buy?
We are coming back tomorrow, so you need a return ticket.
Return ticket. Okay. And how do I ask for it? What do I say?
This is very important, Henry. Listen carefully. You say, "Could I have a return ticket to Manchester, please?" This is very polite.
Could I have a return ticket to Manchester, please?
Perfect. That was excellent, Henry.
Thank you. Let me try now. I will talk to the person at the counter.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hello, could I have a return ticket to Manchester, please?
Of course. When would you like to travel?
Today, please. The 10:15 train.
And when are you returning?
Tomorrow.
That will be £24, please.
Here you are. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Here is your ticket. Platform 4. Have a good journey.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Layla, I did it. I bought the ticket by myself.
I heard you. You did so well. I am very proud of you.
It was not so difficult. The phrase, "could I have," really helped me.
Yes, that phrase is very useful. You can use it anywhere, at a shop, at a restaurant, at a hotel.
Really? So I can say, Could I have a coffee, please, at a cafe?
Exactly. You already understand it perfectly.
We are on platform 4 now. When does the train come?
It should come at 10:15. It is 10:10 now, so we have 5 minutes.
Oh, look at the screen. It says delayed. What does delayed mean?
Delayed means the train is late. It is not coming on time.
Oh no. How long do we have to wait?
Look, it says the train is now arriving at 10:35, so we wait 20 more minutes.
20 minutes. That is not too bad.
No, it is fine. Delays happen sometimes. The important thing is to always check the departure board.
Yes, I understand. The departure board is very important.
We are sorry for the delay to the 10:15 service to Manchester. This train will now depart from platform 4 at 10:35. We apologize for any inconvenience.
I heard the announcement, but I did not understand everything.
That's okay. Let me explain. The announcement said the train is late. It will leave at 10:35, not 10:15, and they said sorry for the problem.
Oh, so apologize means say sorry?
Yes, we apologize is a formal way to say we are sorry. You hear it a lot at train stations and airports.
We apologize. I will remember that.
Great. Also, inconvenience means a small problem that causes trouble for someone.
Inconvenience. Okay, so the full sentence means we are sorry for causing you trouble.
Exactly right. Henry, your English is getting better every day.
Thank you, Layla. I feel more confident now. The train is here, finally.
Yes. Now, always let other passengers get off the train first. Then we get on.
Why do we wait?
Because the people inside need to get out first. If everyone tries to get on at the same time, nobody can move.
That makes sense. It's polite too, right?
Exactly. It's both polite and practical.
Okay, the passengers are coming out now. Let's wait.
Good. Now it's our turn. Let's find our seats.
Layla, I have a question. My ticket says Coach C, seat 24. What is a coach?
On a long train, there are different sections. Each section is called a coach. Coach C is the third section of the train.
Oh, so a coach is like a compartment of the train.
Yes, very good. Can you see the letter C on the side of the train?
Yes, I see it. Let's go in.
Here we are. Seat 24. The window seat is all yours, Henry.
Amazing! I love window seats. I can watch the countryside while we travel.
Me too. This is going to be a nice journey.
Layla, thank you so much for helping me today. I learned so many new words.
You're welcome. That's what I'm here for.
Let me remember all the words I learned today. Departure board, platform, destination, one-way ticket, return ticket, delay, announcement, coach.
Wow, you remembered all of them. That is really impressive.
And my favorite phrase, could I have, please? It is so polite and useful.
Yes, that phrase will help you everywhere you travel. Remember it always.
I will. This trip is the best English lesson I have ever had.
Learning English in real life is always the best way. Let's enjoy the journey.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Henry learned so many useful words today, and you learned them too. Now let me ask today's question one more time. What does Layla say is the most polite way to ask for a ticket in English? Did you find the answer? Write it in the comments in English. Even one sentence is perfect. By writing your answer in English, you practice your output skills, and that makes your English grow faster. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to English Speaking Practice. I would love to see you in the next video. All right, that is all for today. See you next time. Bye.